As much as I love fishing, I have customers who need products for their fishing, so it has to be smooth to the hand. Sharp edge here, no good. Could cut their hands, so you have to be very careful. Spend a lot of time sanding,
Despite business obligations and customer orders, the river still calls.
Bait, bait, bait. They're hiding down in the... Ooh, some of these guys are dead. Starting to get a little bit of that winter die-off. Yes, I am a fly fisherman who uses live bait.
Testing new ideas and refining systems further is a big part of what drives this channel.
Okay, don't know if this rig is gonna work, but I am gonna try it. Basically a drop shot rig on a fly reel, on a fly rod. Got one of my triple threat swivels here, and I have a ring here that I could just daisy chain these things together all day long. I could put like 10 or 12 of them together if I really want. Dropper, dropper, dropper. About every 18 inches for about the first 6 feet. And more like 4 feet. But then, yeah. I have my leader here, which is one of my shock leaders. That's what I need to teach you how to tie next. Okay? And then I have about 3 feet of lead core line to help it sink as well. And then that's going to 7-weight fly line, and then that's going to the backing. Cue the cheesy music. Oh, man. The 70s. Them was bad times. Let's try something else.
Despite the dreary weather, there's testing to be done. The question of the day is, will this line cast? And can we beat the rain?
First cast. Oh gosh, he cast like a sneaking. Ah yes, this is what we need, my friends. See.
While the line casts like a rock, there isn't much more I can do in this rain. I thought that working for yourself would mean that you would have more time to go fishing.
Oh, man. This should be ready. It feels good. Yeah. This is ready to go. Not gonna be enough. I think that might do it. Another happy customer. This wind is no good. I am not liking this wind. It's cold. It was 27 this morning. I know that's not cold for you guys way up north, but I'm properly insulated, but it's just the wind. I don't like the wind. The wind is what'll get you. It's not cold, but it's just the wind, and it's a few white caps I'm seeing, and I think this trip may be a no-go. It's just no good. It's just no good. No good. Nothing yet. Someone asked me, how do you fish below the dam? It's pretty easy. You get below the dam right up into the swift current, and you just let down your line and literally just drag line behind the boat. So we got 2 flies on our spinning reel, just like I showed you in the spinning reel episode. And I have my fly rod rig with the drop shot. The problem now is we're getting kind of close to these rocks. It's usually usually these rocks are where I'm going to catch something, if I'm going to catch something. The wind and the current are really just too fast, too high. High current, high water, fast current, high wind, and it's warmed up considerably. Yesterday it was 27. Today it was 37. So that's, to me, that's a lot. If this were the summer, this would be perfect, really, this pattern. See, the sun heats up these rocks, and it keeps its water a little warmer, so the fish sometimes will hang out around these rocks here in the shallows. The wind and the current are moving in the same direction. You're probably going to be moving too fast to catch anything here in the winter. Some trips you're better off just testing something. Hooked up on my propeller. That's the problem with that big long tail. It can frustrate you. There we go. We got it loose. Rain should get here tonight. And I have some customer orders that I really do need to get out today. And although I haven't caught anything as of yet, think I have a rig that'll allow me to add more weight to the drop shot portion of it. Very simply. It's just not time yet. But it's still good to get out. Make sure your motor's running. Test your gear out now. So when it does come time, you're just fishing, fishing, fishing. Oh! I hit the stinking record button. Anyway, we just got a drum. And he bit the bottom fly. I may have just... Here. We just got a drum on the spinning reel. So multi-species fly fishing works. It works. People don't believe it, but it works. I'm hoping that I got the shot from the other one. He'll eat just fine. Nothing on the fly rod today, but this is working well. Just take it, dip it, good to go. And kind of out here in this deeper water. Wasn't shallow like I thought it was gonna be. About like that. Somebody's home. Brum. And once again, she hit the fly that was tied like a spider. Haven't had anything on the fly rod yet. I gotta get enough weight to get the thing all the way down to the bottom where they are. That's we're about to run out of bait, but fly rod got one. Once again, he hit the... I have this one rigged up with just the flies, then going down to the lines. So both rigs work. That's that. It's only 3, but considering we're in a very horrible time of the year and the weather is not very good at all. Once the summer gets here and it's really hot and heavy, we won't be able to keep up. Multi-species fly fishing. What do you know?